Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the gold price has moved in the last month and how the gold price can move in this month. Okay, if we look at the chart, what we can see that the gold price is currently moving at around 1807.54. Okay, and if we look at the chart, what we can see, a narrow pattern is forming. Okay, and if this narrow pattern is forming and trying to make a narrow range, okay, and I've already told you that if this range particularly break upside or downside, we can see for the fall or for the rise, and that will be sharp. Okay, upside or downside. Okay, before that, if you have any doubt regarding gold position, you can, or any other commodity, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I've given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technically in gold is working. And if you wish to join my telegram channel, link I've given in the description, you can join. See, now look at the chart. From 2021 we have seen the price of gold is continuously falling. Okay, before that in 2020 we have seen the price was continuously rising. Okay, and at this particular level we have seen that a profit booking has come, and from there we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, and because if we look at the chart, we can see 2019 was in a range bound market, and from there we have seen 2020 is a market for gold was an upside. Okay, and from 2021 we have seen it is continuously down, but now what we can see, it is narrowing the pattern. In 2020 we have seen, yes, it is a slightly upside, but moving very steadily. Okay, so what we can see in the coming month, suppose if the price sustain this level, okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside to a level of 1813.93, and suppose, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards 1818 is very high. Suppose if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 18, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1825.41. okay, suppose if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can reach to up to a level of 1826.84, and from there if it sustain this level, then we can see it can reach up to a level of 1832, and these 1832 has become a weak resistance because it has been already tested 2-3 times, so chances of going towards 1846 will be high. Suppose if the price sustain above 1846, then we can see it can touch a level of 1854.11 also. Okay, and this 1854.11 is already being tested, so chances of going towards 1867 is high. And suppose if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1878 also, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances will be high we can see further rise in the price of gold, can touch a level of 1894 also, and from there we can see a level of 1900. okay, and all these levels, all these resistance being tested here, so chances of going towards 1907 is high, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1917 also. And suppose if the price sustain of this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1927 also, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1933 is already being tested, so we can see further upside towards a level of 1953, and then we can see further more upside. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can fall further to a level of 1796, and from there we can see it can come down to a level of 1792. okay, and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level also, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1788.10, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1780.93, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards 1776 is high, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1763. okay, and these levels are already being tested here, so chances of going towards 1753 is high. okay, and if you look at the chart, this resistance again has become weak, and we can see a level of 1736, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1722. and suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, then we can see it can go to a level of 1719, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1699. okay, once if this level touch 1699, if it sustain for 5-10 minutes below this level, then we can see it can come down to a level of 1667, and from there we can see further low to a level of 1658. now understand one thing. See, if you are investing for a long term is very good, and you can invest, but this is personally what I'm sharing. See, now understand what a trader do mistakes. See, they try to trade with full capital. You should not never trade with full capital. Okay, always try to use 15 to 10 to 15% of capital per trade, and your risk should be 0.5 to 1%. That means if you trade 5 times and if you lose 5 times, you know your risk is $500. Okay, and if you make profit, big profits you can make in any of the trades, and that will recover all your loss, and then you can be in a more profitable situation. And understand this, if you are in a good if your risk is low, you can trade very efficiently and good in a better way. Okay, and now see, understand one thing. I have to show you a chart where I will show you that the trend of the gold can be upside or downside. Okay, because what we can see looking at the chart, see, a pattern is forming, a cup pattern is forming here. So if the price goes above a level of 1838 or 18 of it sustain above a level of 1825, we can see it can go to a level of 1878 also. Okay, it can go to a level of 1865 to 1878 also, and if it this level sustain, we can see a level of 1919 also. Okay, and from there we can see it can go further high to a level of 1939 also, and from there 959. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, and probability of going towards 1778 is high, and from there we can see a level of 1758, and from there if it didn't sustain this level, we can see a level of 1718, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1684, and these levels are already being tested, so chances of going towards down 1611 is high. So understand one thing, once this narrow pattern or cup pattern break upside or downside, we can see further fall in the rise in the price of gold. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.